Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here again with my sister Caitlin. Hi. So we are back today to finish a little bit of the decorating, finish getting ready for Christmas, and also some of you guys asked to see the shortbread chip recipe, the cookie recipe, so we're going to share that as well. So I hope that you enjoy. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, let us know, and let's get started. So starting with the stairway, since we already did 2 flocked Christmas trees out here, I wanted a flocked garland, and Walmart had a really nice affordable one, but we ended up creating this using the simple green garland that I already had and just adding in 2 red berry garlands from Hobby Lobby that were 50% off. And I also had a bunch of like faux crystal ornaments that look like glass, and I ended up hanging those from the garland. I think they look so pretty like this, but honestly, for the price of the berries, I was just wondering now if you guys think that the stairway would look better using, it's that same flocked garland from Walmart that I used on my mom's mantle, if you saw where we decorated at her house, and I was wondering if that flocked garland would look better here on the stairway than using this combination of the green with the red berries, because to be honest, it's almost going to be about the same price to do it either way, the price of the berries or the price of the flocked garland. So I'm really not sure. I'd love to know what you think would look better. Caitlin also has this little sideboard table when you walk in with a lamp and a candle on it, and she added the cutest wooden advent calendar on here. It actually lights up, which I don't know if you can tell on here, but it is so cute. I love this piece. And I also just put some of the sparkly Christmas garland around everything just to kind of jazz it up. We also did some lighted garland and greenery up over the microwave and stove here in this little nook. I think this is going to be so cute and cozy in the kitchen at night with the lights on. And then over on the dining table, she did another simple Christmas garland that was like folded in half in the center, just to kind of make a more of like a centerpiece statement piece. Really, really pretty. And she added in a couple of battery candles in here. The Christmas tree, I also showed you guys, we did this in the last video that I did with her, and I added red berries to the top of it. Crazy enough, I picked up some gold floral picks and gold picks and stuff to add into the top, and I don't know what happened to them. If you guys saw how crazy it was over Thanksgiving, somehow that bag got misplaced. So I need to find it. We put it somewhere, and I will have to come back and decorate the top of the tree and get the gold picks in there to kind of make a tree topper for this tree. But anyway, the Christmas pillows on the couch were like $5 Walmart finds from a couple of years ago. And that is pretty much what she has going on for Christmas decor. So let's go get started on the cookies now. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know. Also subscribe if you are new so that you won't miss out on anything new. Okay, so to make the cookies, Caitlin's got everything measured out. These are super easy. What do you have, 5 ingredients? Yes. Guys, a 5-ingredient cookie, right? It doesn't get easier than that. We all want a recipe for really yummy 5-ingredient cookies. What is the first? Butter. 2 cups of butter. Okay, 2 cups of butter. And this makes a lot of cookies, so if you're going to be like...
It's roughly like 90 cookies, so it's...
These would be like really good for a cookie swap, right?
Definitely.
Like something for that. Okay, so we've got our 2 cups of butter.
Then I can mix in the sugar. 2 cups of sugar.
And this is your confectioner sugar.
Yes.
Okay, so we're not using granulated sugar. 2 cups?
Yep.
So 2 and 2. I think my mom's been making this like for as long as I can remember.
Next is the flour. There's 4 cups of flour.
Okay. Should we just add that like about a cup at a time?
Yeah.
I think last year, some of you guys, when I filmed some of the stuff that Caitlin had made and we did her house tour, which if you haven't seen that video, I will link that video up top and down below if you want to check out last year's, where we did like a red and white winter wonderland theme. And I know I told you guys, like, if you know my sister, she's always baking. She's like always got stuff baking in the oven. Some of you guys asked if she has a channel, which she doesn't have a channel right now, but we have her on here to share some recipes.
Yeah,
2 teaspoons of vanilla. We'll get that going in there. Okay, here it goes. There's the rest of the flour.
Right. And then the best part.
Chocolate.
It says 12 ounces of chocolate chips, but we always do a little more.
Now, and
just
for this
isn't
recipe,
enough.
you need more powdered sugar of confectioner's sugar, right?
Yeah, it's
for
a
later.
little.
So you do need a little extra confectioner's sugar for later on.
All right.
The dough is like literally coming out the top. Or did you use just regular butter?
Yeah. Just regular
Have you
butter.
tried them with like a butter substitute?
I haven't. We're not about the substitutes.
Well, I'm curious if any of you guys end up trying these with this recipe with like a vegan version with like a butter substitute. I use Smart Balance in cookies a lot and it actually works pretty well, but I don't know if I've tried it in these either.
Because there's so much of it, I'm not sure how it would hold up.
If it would work or not.
But I mean, Smart Balance might
curious.
work though.
I'm
It's
also
similar
curious
to-
if you could do like a gluten-free flour in these. Probably really customize it. Okay, so we've got these cookies ready to go into the oven. And what temperature do you have the oven on?
350.
350 for
Like 8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes? Okay. So thinking of these as like the perfect cookie swap cookie because you can get so many just from one batch, one recipe. I am curious. Let me know down below. Do you guys do cookie swaps around the holidays? Do you bake cookies? Do you host or attend a cookie swap? I would love to know. I haven't done a cookie swap in a long time. Have you gone to one or done
No,
one?
but I usually bring cookies, Christmas cookies, in to work.
Oh, that's nice.
And yeah, and you know, other people do it and everyone bakes something different. So it's, you know, I bring some of these in and some other cookies that I make. And I will say, everyone loves these cookies.
I just like want to eat one so bad. We were just discussing the timing and the cookies are not quite done on the 8 to 10 minutes. About
It's
10
probably like 10 to 12 minutes, but it really does depend on the size of the cookies. Because if you do make tiny little cookies to get the 90, it might be like 8 minutes because they're going to be so
like
small.
8 minutes for like a teaspoon and
Yeah.
maybe closer
We probably
to
did like a tablespoon.
12 to 15 minutes if it's like a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Just keep an eye on them. When they start to get a little golden on the bottom,
Yeah, take them out, let
time
them
to
sit
take
for
them
a
out.
minute on the
Like
rack.
I said. Caitlin has started powdering the cookies already. We've got some confectioner's sugar in here. And I think when I've done these, I have rolled the whole cookie in there. But Caitlin's saying that what she does is she doesn't do the bottom, she just dips the top in the confectioner's sugar. So
I
if you
mean,
don't-
some gets on the bottom, but I just don't do the whole thing just because if they are, I need a little bit warm at all, they will stick to each other and then they just get really,
it gets a
they
little
look-
gummy, right?
yeah.
It's a little sticky, the sugar.
yeah, they don't look so.
It's totally up to you how much sugar you want to add on your cookies. Yeah, there we go. This is like exactly how I like cookies done. Very light, very, very light. You know they're going to be very moist and soft and chewy.